Setting up an AirTag takes about 2 minutes, from unboxing to Find My. Step 1. Twist off the back and pull the plastic tab. The AirTag chimes when it powers on. Step 2. Unlock your iPhone and hold the tag close. A Connect pop-up appears in seconds. Step 3. Give it a name, then register it to your Apple ID. It shows up in Find My. Do not skip this. Left behind alerts are off by default. Turn them on per tag. And that is the whole setup. The full guide is on hotairtag.com.